There are many reports available to you in Office Tools Professional. You can access the Reports window by going to Reports on the menu bar. Here you can choose from Billing Reports, Contact Reports, Project Reports, Schedule Reports, and Staff Reports. You can also access these various areas through the main tabs. For example, I could come to the Projects tab, and if I wanted a project report, I could simply come to the printer icon. This will launch the Reports window. Once here, you can navigate through other various areas by simply choosing the tab at the top of the screen. Running a report is very simple. Choose the category of reports that you would like, for example, billing reports. Then located on the left is a list of all the reports that are currently in the system. This would include all of the default and main reports that we've created. However, you can also save your own custom reports. Now, this is done by choosing a specific report that you would like, making adjustments to that report, such as filters, sort options, and then to save these settings, so that way you don't have to make those changes again in the future, simply come to the plus button, give your report a new name, and hit save. Now, in the future, when you come back to billing reports, instead of having to recreate all of your options, you can simply choose your newly saved report. You can view all of your custom reports by just simply choosing the custom radial button. Through the sorts and the filters and the additional options, reports can take on many different meanings. For example, if I chose a time utilization report, I may want to sort this not by contact, but by staff member. Or perhaps I would like more detail. Because I've chosen more detail, I now have a secondary sort available to me. And again, once I have my report created in a way that I prefer, I can simply save that new report. To run the report, once you've selected it, you can either double click on the title or simply go to the printer button at the top of the screen. Once your report is created, you can then see all the details that you've selected. For example, this is a time utilization report. We can see the account manager of the client, the billing manager, the actual staff member, and the projects. We can see the clients and all the information that this report would generate. Reports can be printed and exported to PDF or Excel. Other report functionality would lie within the Time tab. By coming to the timesheet, if you would like a report on this staff member's time, you can simply come to the printer button, and this will create a timesheet report. From here, you're able to choose different types and styles, date ranges, and other options and details. Other report types include contact reports, such as an address book, birthday list, phone listings, and more. One really neat aspect about contact reports is you can create from scratch your own columns and custom fields. By coming to the custom field report, located here on the left, you're actually able to choose the columns of contact data that you would like, such as file as name, and we'll simply add that column. Perhaps this is an email report, so we would like the file as name of the client, and let's go ahead and include the email address. We can choose from various filters. Perhaps we want to filter by account manager. And now we can choose the account manager we would like to filter by. So in this scenario, we're going to run a contact report that's going to list columns of the client name, their email address, and they're going to be filtered by the staff member, Jared. Again, simply running the preview from the print button or double-clicking on the title of the report will generate that report. Some very common reports in the system under the Billing tab would be the Billing and WIP reconciliation, Billing utilization, Time utilization, and your WIP reports. Under the Contact reports, the address book and the custom field are very common. Project reports, assignment reports, current status, and due date are your go-to reports. The Schedule tab has daily, monthly, and summary schedule reports. And one report that you may want to pay attention to under the Staff Reports area is the Staff Activity Report. This will allow you to see and view all activities for all staff members.